Hey everyone, I know it's been quite a long time since I have recorded a video. I have had a very busy year full of a lot of changes, some good and some bad. So it's just been a while since I've been able to record a video. Um, I actually had a woman reach out to me, who found me by my channel and looked me up, um, and got in contact with me, who wanted me to discuss like what happened in her case and what happened in my case and what is happening with a lot of people, which is that there is a severe and very serious discrimination against people or parents with disabilities. Um, that is actually one reason why I haven't posted any more videos, because during the time of my appeal, a big portion of my argument for my case was that my parental rights were taken solely based on disability, and not for any evidence of neglect, or never was even accused of abuse. But there was no evidence of neglect or abuse in my case. The sole the sole cause, or the sole reason given for the loss of my parental rights was for disabilities. Um, Either my real disabilities or the ones that they made up about me, which that's like a whole other topic. So this lady that reached out to me, she actually has cerebral palsy, like a friend of mine that I used to know, and she was a foster child herself, and ended up pregnant while in foster care. And as soon as she turned 18, her child was taken from her, and their sole basis was because of her cerebral palsy. This is happening a lot all over the country, and I find it's really sad that we have a Disability Act in this country that protects us from discrimination when it comes to getting jobs, but there are no protection of the parental rights of disabled people in this country. Um, there's a couple things I wanted to pull up for you guys. One is the case from 1927 of Buck versus Bell. This is in the United States Supreme Court. Justice Oliver Holmes Jr. made the statement that 3 generations of imbeciles are enough, and in that case brought about forced sterilization for people who had or had perceived mental incapabilities. So this has been going on for a very long time. We don't have forced sterilization anymore, but you might as well have that when they're taking everyone's kids who have any sort of disability. March 2018, and I'll list the link below for these sources as well. Rewire.news had an article on having a disability can mean losing kids. And then also at parentalrightsfoundation.org, who I'll also link below. Go visit their website for sure, because they are actually trying to fight for disabled parents to have equal rights to parent their children. We actually, I don't know if you know about this, I can't find this, but we actually had to make another law for colored people and people of ethnicity to have equal parenting rights in this country. And I feel like that, you know, when that was done, we should have also had the equal rights for disabled people. But so far, there's not been any equal rights given to disabled people for parenting. 35 states include disability as grounds for termination. In DC, and 9 states allow physical disability as the sole reason for terminating parental rights. So this is very serious, you guys. I have some statistics here. The removal rates where parents have a psychiatric disability is 70 to 80%. Intellectual disability is 40 to 80%. And in custody cases, physical disability showed 13% discrimination in custody hearings, like divorces and things like that. So anyway, this is something that is very serious that I want to spread awareness about. I will be uploading more videos here. I might not still be uploading very often because I'm, you know, trying to do other things with my life. And I'm actually, you know, going to counseling now. I just started this month for the grieving process with my own children, because I thought I was handling it well, and then I ended up realizing that through a breakup earlier this year that I actually haven't been handling it as well as I thought that I had, and that I was actually just dissociating from it and trying to be, you know, positive all the time and everything, which I think you should try to be positive, but I never took the time to actually let myself just feel what I felt, like the normal feelings you feel during grief and loss. So I'm going to a counselor now to try to work through that and, you know, dig out all of those buried emotions and everything. So I'm trying to do a lot of self-help, so I probably won't be uploading very often, but I am going to start uploading again. Once a month is kind of the goal that I have right now. Like, at minimum, I have to upload once a month to this channel. But yeah, I would like to spread awareness about this. The CPS and the other various names that they go by have to be stopped. This has to stop, especially with the discrimination against disabled parents. People who already are at a disadvantage in life, and now you're using that disadvantage to take advantage of them even more. So anyway, I hope that y'all learned something from this video, and I hope you do some more research for yourself. And if there's any other topics in particular you would like for me to discuss about CPS, or if you have any other questions for me, leave them down in the comments below, and I will get to them in the next video.